Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your profile picture on Vibo and prevent other users from seeing it. If you want more privacy and control over who can view your photo, this tutorial is just for you. To disable this option, you only need a few simple steps. First, open the Viber app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the More option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to Settings. Once you open the settings, select Privacy. In this menu, find the Show Your Photo option and tap to turn it off if it's enabled. Now your profile picture is hidden and no longer visible to other users. This way, you maintain privacy and decide for yourself who can see your profile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.